If you're an Office user staring at an Excel error, you need this quick fix. No tech genius required. Let's get your Office back on track in under a minute. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as administrator. Click Yes if you see a pop-up. Step 2. Navigate to your Office folder. Type CD CR Program Files a Microsoft Office iOffice XX, or if you have 32-bit Office, CD on Program Files, x86, Microsoft Office, Office XX, replace Office XX with your version, like Office 16. Now, type OSPPREARM.exe and hit Enter. You should get a rearm successful message. Restart your computer and check Excel. Still stuck? Run cscript OSPP.VBS D status to find your SKU ID, then run cscript OSPP.VBS rearm your SKU ID. If there are multiple Office versions or issues, use the Microsoft Support tool or run an online repair.